Hello, my dear friends! In today's video, I'd like to show you a great idea on how to make an LED cup. The light will turn on automatically when you pour some drink into the cup, and turn off when there's nothing left. In order to make such a cup, we will need pliers or nippers, one small nail, one dowel, superglue, one rubber band, two plastic cups with thick walls, one LED, 3-volt battery, a piece of wire, 2 pins, flux, solder and solderer. We have to make 3 holes in the bottom of the cup. 1 hole for the LED should be in the middle and 2 holes on the sides for the pins. And one more thing, we will need a lighter for heating the dowel. We will make a hole for the LED in the center. We will also heat a small nail to make 2 more holes for the pins. Now, insert the pins into the holes, then insert the LED and some superglue to make the cup leak-proof. Shorten the pins, as they are too long. Now it's time for soldering. The LED's long end is called anode, and it's a plus, and the short end is called cathode, so it's a minus. You should solder the plus of the battery to the LED's plus, and the minus should be soldered to the pin, and solder the LED's minus to the other pin. So we get a circuit gap, which avoids the LED from turning on, but this gap will be closed by water or any other beverage. In conclusion, we take a rubber band and double wrap it around the cup. Put one cup on another and press it tightly, so any moisture won't reach the battery and the LED. Our handmade LED cup is ready. Let's test it. Did you know? The first LED was made by General Electric in 1962.